The zinc metal concentration in Pavco's Merlin Alkaline Zinc plating solution is critical and can affect the performance of the solution if it is out of range. Frequent analysis is recommended using the following procedure. Using a volumetric pipette, transfer 1 milliliter of the Merlin zinc bath into a 500 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Next, add 100 milliliters of distilled or deionized water and 15 milliliters of Kocher R86. Then add 10 drops of Kocher KEB indicator and mix the solution. Lastly, using a volumetric pipette, add 5 milliliters of Kocher R75 and immediately titrate with Kocher R76 until the solution changes from purple to a blue endpoint. The number of milliliters of the R76 titrant used is equal to the concentration of zinc metal in solution. For example, if it took 2 milliliters of R76 to achieve a blue endpoint, then the zinc metal concentration is 2 ounces per gallon. JSA is proud to represent Pavco Chemical Products. For technical questions or to purchase Kocher reagents, visit us online at jsamc2.com or call our office. And thanks for watching.